In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable GPS tracking in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a team in the field or need to ensure precise tracking of work activities, GPS tracking can be an essential tool. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to set this feature up in Hubstaff to fit your specific needs. So, let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first want to log into your Hubstaff account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the main dashboard. You'll notice a menu on your screen. Find and click on Settings. This is where we'll begin our journey to enabling GPS tracking. After accessing the settings, direct your attention to the Schedules section. Within this part of the settings, there's an option labeled Map. This is the crucial area where the GPS tracking configuration happens. Click on Map, and you'll be one step closer to setting up your GPS tracking. Now you should see a section under Track Locations, which is specifically for mobile devices. This feature means that GPS tracking is applicable when using Hubstaff on a mobile device, which is particularly useful for those managing remote teams on the go. You will have two main options for GPS tracking: tracking time or always. Let's talk a bit about what each option does. The tracking time option allows the recording of GPS locations only when users are actively tracking their time. This option is great if you want to ensure that tracking focuses solely on working hours. It helps conserve battery life and manages data usage, since GPS tracking only kicks in when there's recorded activity. Alternatively, there's the always option. Selecting this means that the app will continuously record GPS locations in the background as long as it remains installed and the necessary location permissions are granted. This is particularly useful if you need to maintain a constant log of locations for teams that are on the move throughout the day, providing a comprehensive overview of activities. When deciding between these options, consider how your team functions and choose what aligns best with your operational needs. And remember, if privacy is a concern, it's always a good idea to discuss tracking policies with your team to ensure transparency and consent. With your choice made, make sure to save any changes, and then your GPS tracking setup in Hubstaff is complete. From this point forward, your mobile devices will start tracking locations based on the settings you selected, offering you peace of mind and the data you need. If you found this guide helpful or have any additional questions, feel free to leave a comment or reach out. Thank you for watching, and have a great day equipped with your new GPS tracking setup.